The shortlist, the Dodge Charger.
For me, the greatest American car ever.
This is a big day for me because it's my first ever drive in a Dodge Charger and I'm a little bit nervous.
You see, I've wanted one of these forever. But what if it's rubbish? What if it's a case of never meet your heroes? Well, we'll find out. But first, a smidgen of history.
There's just no resisting it.
The Charger was the definitive 60s American muscle car. Over 300,000 were made. The Lone Ranger was the chief salesman.
I apprehended this man driving away with one of our new Dodge Chargers.
Even though it was as big as Texas, somehow they managed to race it. In fact, the Charger was the first car ever to top 200 miles an hour in NASCAR racing.
This is a 1968 Dodge Charger 440 RT. It's the one you want. And this is the sound of a 440 cubic inch V8. That means 7.2 litres, 365 brake horsepower, and it's incredible.
By now, you're probably saying, okay, but what about the Ford Mustang? And sure enough, the Charger was always a bit in the Mustang's shadow. But in fact, this car is the really cool one.
And it's cool for one good reason. Bad guys always drive Chargers. In Bullitt, McQueen's Mustang was chased by the baddies in a Charger.
In fact, during the chase, the Mustang's suspension needed constant repair, but the Charger survived all of the jumps without braking.
Even the Dukes of Hazzard had a Charger. Let's just forget about that. It was an embarrassing episode in the Cars Past.